Okay, for example 4, we're going to analyze the graph of an ellipse. We're going to graph it. We're going to find its center, its vertices, its foci, and we're going to find E. Okay, so the first thing I have to do is change this thing to standard form, which from last example, we grouped the x's together, 4x squared minus 8x. We grouped the y's together, plus y squared plus 4y, and we moved the 8 to the side of the equation, so it looks like that. Common factor here is 4. 4 times x squared minus 2x, y squared plus 4y. And now I have to complete the square. In order to complete the square, I have to find some number c. And so for this one, c equals negative 2 divided by 2 squared, so c is going to be 1. So I'm adding 1. 4 times 1 is 4, so if I add 4 to the left, I have to add 4 to the right to keep it balanced. For this one, c equals 4 divided by 2 squared, so it would be 2 squared, which is 4. So add 4. Nothing outside the parentheses, so add 4 over here. Now I'm going to write this as 4 times x minus 1 squared plus y plus 2 squared equals 16. Then I want to make it equal to 1, so I'm going to divide everything by 16. Like that. And I get x minus 1 quantity squared over 4 plus y plus 2 quantity squared over 16 equals 1. Okay, so that tells me the center is at 1 comma negative 2. Opposite for x, opposite for y in this situation. It tells me that the A is 4 and B is 2. A is 4 because it's the square root of 16. And so I'm going to have to add 4 to the y direction. So the vertices are going to be at 1 comma negative 2 plus 4 is 2. And then negative 2 minus 4 is 1 comma negative 6. So those are the vertices. So I can draw a quick sketch of that. 1, negative 2, there's the center. 1, 2, and then 1, negative 6. Now the square root of 4 is 2, so I go 2 in the b direction from the center. And my ellipse looks something like this. Okay, so the center, 4 in the y direction, 2 in the x direction because it's the square root of 4. Okay. My foci, which are going to be located about there and there, I have to find c first. Remember that c squared equals a squared minus b squared. So c squared is a squared is 16, b squared is 4, so c squared is 12, c equals the square root of 12, which is 4 times 3, or 2 square roots of 3. So the foci are located at 1 comma negative 2 plus 2 square root of 3, and 1 comma negative 2 minus 2 square root of 3. So those are the exact locations of the foci. And then for E equals c over a. C is 2 square roots of 3 over 4, which makes E equal to the square root of 3 over 2. And there I was able to graph it, find the center, vertices, foci, and E. Okay? Once you guys go ahead and try number 41, press pause, write down the problem, figure it out, and then come back, see if you got the right response or the right answer. Okay, so the first thing you should have done was to go 9x squared plus 36x And then 4y squared minus 24y equals negative 36. Common factor is 9. 9 times x squared plus 4x. Common factor is 4. Y squared minus 6y equals negative 36. You should complete the square. 4 divided by 2 is 2, then square it, I get plus 4. So I have to subtract 4. 6 divided by 2 is 3, square it, I get 9. That makes positive 36. So I'm going to have to subtract 36. I'm sorry I messed this up. 4 times 9 is 36. So I'd have to subtract 36 there also. Wait, I lied. Sorry, add 36, keep the same thing on both sides. So that gives me 9 parenthesis x plus 2 quantity squared plus 4 parenthesis y minus 3 quantity squared. That cancels that one, leaving positive 36. The next step is to divide everything by 36. And you come up with x plus 2 quantity squared over 4 plus y minus 3 quantity squared over 9 equals 1. Center, negative 2 comma 3. Looks like the bigger number is 9. Square root of 9 is 3, so I'm going to add 3 to the y. Negative 2 comma 6. Subtract 3 from the y, negative 2 comma 0. Again, with the foci, c squared equals a squared minus b squared. So c squared equals 9 minus 4. So c is the square root of 5. So from my center, negative 2 comma 3, it goes in the y direction. So negative 2 comma 3 plus the square root of 5. Negative 2 comma 3 minus the square root of 5 for the other foci. E is equal to c over a. C is square root of 5. A is 3. That can't be reduced, so that's E. Drew to sketch the graph. Centers at negative 2, 1, 2, 3. Again, the big number underneath the y, so I'm going to go up 3, 1, 2, 3, down 3, and then the x direction 2, 2, 2, sketch the ellipse. And there's how you figure out number 41.